Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your saved items in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. Here it usually opens up in the shopping menu, where we can browse and look at different kinds of styles and clothing items. But from here we have to find the little heart icon in the top of the screen. Here in this menu we can find the saved outfits button, and by tapping on this we can find the outfits that we have saved for later because they inspired us or they were especially interesting here. If we don't have any yet, we didn't use the application so far, then we can just tap on explore outfits and find some inspiration. Here at the top we can select the style that we want to look at, and then from here we can save the outfit. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.